Here we have the Packshot Master Bundle. The jib and the head are set up right here, and the turntable is actually hiding just under this cube right now. Now let's jump into point mode with this setup. For the first step, the system prompts us to level our camera. We level the jib horizontally and lock it in place. Then we aim the camera straight forward, perfectly aligned with the jib. First we check from the top, and then we check from the side, and we ensure it's pointing perfectly straight. And when done, we hit done. At this stage it was asking me to lock the jib, which we had already locked just a moment ago. And here it's asking for our jib extension length. We simply read the distance info right on the jib itself and input that number here. And here it's asking for the lines on the jib's front extender. Since our newer generation jibs don't feature these lines, choosing the no lines option makes perfect sense. Now I can just hit set to proceed to the next stage. Now, we will teach the system the location of the turntable's center through a specific method. We place a mark on the turntable away from the center. We are going to use the button on HeadPLUS to keep things practical. Let's release the jib lock and begin our 5-click sequence. Using our camera, we frame up that mark and we hit the button for the very first time. Now, we aim our camera at the exact same mark from a different angle, and we hit the button for the second time. Now we turn the turntable just a little bit, and then, to signal that we're done with this step, we hit the button for the third time. Now we center our frame on the mark again in its new position, and we hit the button for the fourth time. Now for the last step, we set our camera to a new angle, aim it back at this mark, and we hit the button for the fifth time. All our stages are done, and we're finally ready to start using point mode. The Packshot Master Bundle is designed to track rotating points on the turntable. Let's test it. Let's set this corner of the product as our target point. We frame our camera right over this point, and we hit the button for the first time. Now, at a different camera angle, we aim right back at that exact same point, and we hit the button for the second time. It's that easy to teach a target with just 2 clicks. The point we just set has popped up on the screen and is currently active. As I turn the turntable, I can see the camera actively tracking and keeping focus right on this spot. Plus, even when I move the jib around, I can see the camera stays completely locked onto this exact point. Now that we've made it this far, let's set up a quick move just for fun and end the video right here. Let's set this as the first position of the motion chain. And for the second point, I raise the jib slightly and add a little movement to the turntable. And as the final point, while giving the turntable a larger movement, I raise the jib a little bit more. Before we set this in motion, I'm going to start recording on my camera, and by pressing that first point, I trigger the move.